How to create avatar on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is Guide Hacks, and in this video I will show you how to create avatar on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Here we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now we should just click on Settings at the top. Then we need to tap on Account. Here we should find option Avatar and press on it. Now we need to tap on the Get Started at the bottom. Now we can change skin tone. Here we can change our hairstyle, hair color, face shape and other options just by swiping to the right and tapping on them. When you finished, just click on Done at the top right corner and confirm just by clicking on Save Changes. Just wait and then tap on Next. And that's all. It was how to create avatar on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our Guide Hacks channel.